In this video, we'll show you how our platform can transform your business operations by seamlessly integrating with QuickBooks. This integration provides a robust solution to streamline inventory management and maintain precise financial records. We'll walk you through the steps to initiate this integration. Whether you're a small or medium-sized business, this tutorial is designed to assist you in getting started efficiently. Before you begin the integration process, we highly recommend reviewing and adjusting the integration settings in consultation with your accountant. To begin, let's integrate QuickBooks with your account. First, navigate to the Integrations module, then locate QuickBooks from the list of integrations. Once located, click on Connect to QuickBooks. Then, proceed in linking your QuickBooks account. Once both systems are linked, you'll be directed to configure your QuickBooks integration settings in your account. On the initial page, you can designate the ledger accounts from QuickBooks where you wish to push your data from Stock and Buy. The first account is Sales. This is the ledger account where we push your sales invoices. The second account is Invoice Payments. This is the ledger account where we will push your sales invoice payments. Next is the Cost of Goods Sold account. This is the expense account where you sync your purchase bill line items. Then, the Bill Payments, which is the account where purchase bill payments will be synced. Lastly, the Inventory Asset account, which is the account for newly created products. Ensure to click Save Changes to update your QuickBooks integration settings. With the ledger account set up, you can proceed to configure your tax settings. Here, you'll establish mappings between your tax definitions in Stock and Buy and QuickBooks, ensuring accurate and compliant tax reporting. Please note that tax settings in QuickBooks are determined by the country in which your account is registered. Once your QuickBooks account is connected, the platform will automatically retrieve the tax rates you have defined. You can then map these tax rates to those in the platform by accessing your account settings and tax settings. Now that you have fully configured your QuickBooks integration, it's also important to be reminded that Stock and Buy synchronizes your sales and purchase orders every 5 minutes. The same goes whenever modifications are made to the orders. By linking these platforms, you are embarking on a crucial journey to enhance your business operations and uphold precise financial records. Begin enhancing your inventory management and financial reporting today by integrating your account with QuickBooks. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.